Do you enjoy negotiating with a counterpart that asks you questions like a police interrogator? My name is Giuseppe Conti, I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. If you follow this channel, and by the way, if you don't, that's the opportunity to subscribe now, you have already learned the power of questions during negotiation. On the other side, you may struggle to ask questions in a way that creates a positive climate and builds the relationship. Now, if you want to do this, let me give you 5 simple strategies that can help you in that respect. Number 1, start with easy questions, the kind of questions that do not put the counterpart at a disadvantage. Second idea, be prepared to go for give and take during questions. Third idea, you should be prepared to answer the kind of questions that you are asking to the other party. Number 4, make sure that you ask the question before you talk about price. Because as of the moment that you start talking about price, the discussion gets more tense and the exchange of information becomes more difficult. Fifth and last idea, you want to give an explanation on why you're asking a question. For instance, let's imagine that I'm negotiating with a supplier. Then I may say something, well, I would very much like to be able to explain your innovation capabilities to my technical colleagues. Can you please take me through your R&D pipeline? For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.